Hello beauties, welcome again back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys this oil that you can add into your lotions, into your creams that will make your skin to glow always. So this oil will not clog your skin, it will not bleach you, it will not give you dark knuckles. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. As I said earlier, this is very safe, okay? It's very light, it will not clog your skin, it will not cause any skin irritation. So you want to know the proper way to add this oil into your lotions, into your creams for best results. Keep washing. If you're a light skin person, this will just glow your skin and make your skin flawless. If you're a medium shade like me, like just hot chocolate, this oil will help to polish your skin and make your skin to glow all the time. So if you're a dark skin person, oh my goodness, this is just going to make your skin to be very glowing, like well polished and very clear. So you want to know how to mix this oil, you want to know the measurements. Keep washing. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So let's go ahead and show you how you can mix this oil into your lotions for best results. So this is one of the ingredients you should add into your lotions, your creams, your facial cream, to make your skin to glow beautifully, like seriously. So here is another one, okay? So this is optional. These two are for all skin types, all skin complexion, okay? If you have dark skin, you can make use of it. If you have a medium shade like me, you can make use of it. If you are very fair in complexion, this will make your skin to glow beautifully. These oils you are seeing will not clog your skin. They will not give you pimples. They won't give you any skin reactions like white patches, stretch marks. It will repair your skin. For 250 ml lotion, you should add 1 tablespoon each of these oils into it. Mix it very well and your skin will just be glowing always. So I made these oils using carrier oils. If you want to know how to make these oils, I'm going to leave the link in my description box for you to know how to prepare these oils. So the first ingredient we have here is papaya oil. I've made this and I'm going to leave the link in my description box. Papaya oil is going to nourish your skin, get rid of patches, like you just obtain a unified complexion. Your skin will just look very neat and very clear. You do your soap yourself, like DIY your soap, you can add this. Here we have turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is another wonderful one. Yeah, I'm going to leave the link as well in my description. So this we have here is tea tree oil, essential oil. You can make use of any essential oil. Right now, I will show you how to mix it into your 500 ml or 250 ml lotion. So if you are making 250 ml lotion or cream, you should add 1 tablespoon of each of this oil, as I said earlier. I'm making this video at night. Don't mind my complexion because this is at night. I'm not using natural light, okay? Turmeric, you add 1 tablespoon of turmeric oil. Yeah, like this. After that, you mix it very well in a separate bowl, just like this. If you want to have a perfect skin, you have to use a very good nourishing oil. So mix it very well, and here we have 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of each of these, okay? So what you have to do is to transfer it into your 250 ml lotion or cream. Add it into it and mix your cream very well. So when you are mixing your cream, it's best to use a mixer. So very soon I'm going to be showing you how to mix creams using different oils, nourishing oils and nourishing serum that will nourish your skin and get your complexion back to normal with a very lovely glow. Okay, so aside getting a clearer skin, this oil will make your skin to look younger always. For 500 ml lotion, you have to add 2 tablespoons of each of these. Okay, just double the ingredients, add it into your cream or lotion, mix it very well, and you are good to go. When you apply this oil on your skin is going to look very clean. Another good thing is that you can use this for your kids, but make sure you mix it into their lotion. Do not apply it like that on their skin. Alright, so here we have essential oil. You can decide to add this or not, it's optional. So this is for those that always have allergy. Okay, in case you always experience allergic conditions from papaya oil, you can add essential oil. Or if you experience that from turmeric, you can add just few drops of essential oil, just like this. Just few drops. Essential oil can also make your creams to smell very nice. Like if you are making use of orange oil, lavender oil is very soothing. Like it's very calming. It's going to calm your skin. So this is what you should add into your creams, your lotion, to make your skin to glow like wow. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you in my next video.